Meet Carsten. He's hired this B58 Baron to conduct his multi-engine and private instrument rating flight review. In our first sortie, we'll do general handling and circuits. Carsten normally operates a Lancer Super ES and a Harman Rocket 2, so he's used to a bit of power and speed. As part of the private instrument rating review, we did a night sortie and did a nav to Hervey Bay with an RMP approach there, and back to Bundaberg with some more instrument approaches at Bundaberg. Here we are at the MDA, the minimum descent altitude, on the RNP approach runway 11 at Hervey Bay. We're going to conduct the missed approach as soon as we reach the missed approach waypoint. During the final part of the flight review, we looked at asymmetrical engine failure considerations. In this sequence, I'm going to shut the fuel off to the engine, which will cause the propeller to windmill in the airflow, creating lots of drag. Carsten will go through his sequence to identify the correct engine that has failed, and then he will feather the propeller, which means it will completely stop, resulting in the minimum amount of drag. Once we successfully feathered the propeller, we then went through an engine air start procedure. Got it going again, and then we shut it down and feathered it once more to practice an engine out feathered propeller landing. Here we are on final approach to runway 14 at Bundaberg, with the left engine shut down and the left propeller fully feathered. This is going to be a full stop landing and the end of Carsten's flight review. Good job, mate.